SRQ Auto, people you like, cars you can trust.
Make a great choice today with the 2009 Silverado 2500 HD. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 6.6-liter engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, traction control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find leather trim seats, audio, speed-sensitive volume control, cruise control, oil pressure gauge, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, child seat anchors, power steering, one-touch windows, This pickup truck pulls unlike any other. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.